Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here tonight. Hey folks, today I'm going to be replacing my hot water heater. Okay, this is like a kind of a 2-day thing. I'll tell you why. This is just going to be a tutorial, okay? Because tomorrow I got a guy coming. He's going to run all new plumbing. He's going to get rid of all my copper and all this old butylene stuff here that was run on this end of the house. So to help him out, I'm going to go ahead and remove this hot water heater. So I'm just going to kind of go through with you right quick on disconnecting a hot water heater, okay? And then maybe tomorrow night, because he told me he would go ahead and plumb up this hot water heater when he gets done tomorrow night. And I said, well, shoot, go ahead, I'll let him do it, you know. But anyway, first thing you want to do is cut your power off to your electric hot water heater. Second thing that you want to do is cut your shutoff valve, your cold water shutoff. And this one here was actually kind of crusty inside. I had to work with it back and forth and finally get it to shut off, okay? And then after that, you want to come down here to your drain and hook a water hose up to it. And then cut the drain in the open position. And we've already had the hose hooked up to it. And we let it drain for took probably about 45 minutes to an hour to drain all the water out. And then we simply come up top, took a hacksaw and cut through our cold water line. That allowed some air to get behind the water so it could actually flow out quicker from the hot water heater. And then we went ahead and cut our hot water side as well, and we disconnected our power. Okay, and this is 220 going to this, and this is our wiring harness right over here. There's 3 wires, 2 of them are hot, and 1 of them is a ground, okay? And the way that they were hooked up to these 2 wires here, and the ground was hooked right here to the frame of the hot water heater, okay? So that's where we're at, guys. We've got this thing about empty. I can grab it and tilt it. I think I can manhandle this thing out of here now. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a new pan down here. I bought a new pan for the new hot water heater as well. And we're going to get this out of here, and then tomorrow, sometime later tomorrow evening, I will put the new one in, and I'll probably just show it to you actually after it's all hooked up, because the plumber guy, he's going to actually hook it up for me, and which I don't mind doing myself. I've done several hot water heaters, but I'm going to go ahead and let him do it as well, and then we'll talk about the hookup process of a hot water heater. Okay guys, hey, it's day 2 and we got our new hot water heater installed, okay? Actually, I didn't make a video doing this because the plumber that I had here putting in, removing all the old copper that still was in this house and replacing it with PEX. And as you can see, I got new PEX running up to the hot water heater back there as well. So I'm happy I won't have to deal with any more busted copper pipes in my future. But anyway, he went ahead and just hooked this thing up for me, and while he was here. So we've got our new hot water heater installed, and we got all new plumbing in the house. So I'm happy. So friends, this turned out to be just a little tutorial on a hot water heater. As you can see, you got the cold water side here. That's where your shutoff valve is. He used some of these flexible stainless steel pipes here to actually hook up, which he said he's had real good success with them. I've never used them before on the few hot water heaters that I've done, but maybe in the future I'll use these. This here's your hot water side. Power wire 220 going in right here. It's pretty self-explanatory on hooking that up as well. We got a brand new drain pan down low. It's kind of hard to see that. But anyway guys, there's our little video on the new hot water heater. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.